Hello and welcome to Advising Bytes Episode 8. During this session, we will review Bringing Back the PAC website, scholarship late starting processes, Jenna's How to Take Care of You During This Time's workshop, and our December Advising Matters and Recipe Exchange. Hi, it's Shannon Saavedra with the Office of Advising Strategies. One way that I have been supporting local is I like to go to Little Anita's. They have a great location off of 4th Street that's just drive up, and you can eat outside if you want to stay on location. Otherwise, you can take it to go.
Hi, I'm JJ Khan with Mechanical Engineering. One of the ways I've been supporting local outside of restaurants is every November, I have always loved to go to Sandia High School's craft fair for their band boosters. They are not doing it in person, obviously, this year, but they are doing it online. So you can still go on and get all the great crafts. It's at sandiacraftfair.org if anybody's interested.
Hi, it's Kelsey from the Liberal Arts and Integrative Studies Department. And one way recently that I've been trying to support local is getting some Christmas gifts from local places here in town. And so on Black Friday, I actually ordered some bags of coffee from Red Rock Roasters, had them delivered to the house. And so I plan to put together a little gift basket for my dad with that. So hopefully he doesn't watch this, which I doubt he will.
Hi, I'm Christina Anthony with the School of Medicine's PA program. I have been supporting local by picking up carryout. My favorite local restaurant is Taste of India on Wantabo. Highly recommend them.
If you haven't already gone to the website, bringbackthepac.unm.edu, we highly recommend it. Here you'll be able to find all of the coronavirus information that's specific to UNM, including closures. On the closure site, you can see any buildings that may be closed. You also can go to a FAQs page to ask questions about what's happening with the coronavirus at UNM.
Did you miss Jenna's workshop on December 2nd? She presented to the advisors how to take care of you during these times. There was a lot of great information in that workshop about self-care for advisors. And though we are working with students and we care for our students, we want to be there for our students, it's about how to be there for ourselves as well. We will be taking a recording from that workshop and be putting it up on Teams so that any advisors who missed the presentation can go in there and review it and get some great information to help them as we close out the year and enter into another semester where we will be working remote.
At the end of this upcoming December Advising Matters meeting, we're going to have a holiday recipe exchange. Grace from Gallup gave us this great idea to come together and share all of these great recipes. So if you have anything that you want to share, from drink recipes, maybe cookies, to the main course or appetizers that you make around the holidays, feel free to bring them, bring a link, bring the recipe, and we can put them all together and get them out to everybody to share. So maybe we can make some of these over the break. Also, just a quick reminder, next Thursday, December 10th, will be the December Advising Matters meeting. So if you haven't already registered, you can go ahead and do so on Learning Central. And just keep in mind, it's a week earlier than we usually have our December meeting.
We also want to share an update on scholarships. Students who enroll in late starting courses to meet scholarship requirements will not need to submit a scholarship petition. Late starting courses will fulfill scholarship requirements without any additional paperwork. Contact the Student Financial Aid Office with any questions or concerns.
So the other day I had ordered some takeout, and as a side dish, they had a pasta salad that had arugula in it. And it was so yummy that I was trying to see how to recreate it. I looked on the menu to see what other things were in it. I couldn't really find anything about it or what kind of dressing they had used. So I went to Pinterest and I Googled this recipe here, and it's kind of the closest thing that I could find to it. So obviously I made a few edits to it. I didn't have any cantaloupe or red onions, but I had boiled some pasta, gotten the arugula, put it in there, and I had some extra prosciutto, put in the little mozzarella balls. But then this vinaigrette, this lemon vinaigrette was really great to put on it. I know it's not really pasta season right now, but this definitely made for like a quick, easy lunch that you can make ahead. I think the longer it has to kind of absorb the vinaigrette, the better it tastes. And so let me see if I can scroll up here to see the ingredients for that dressing. It doesn't look like it, but it was basically lemon juice. Oh, here we go. Lemon juice, white wine vinegar, garlic, basil, salt, and pepper. I added a few pepper flakes to it to make it a little spicier, but it turned out really great. So if you guys are kind of going through your pantry and you have some of these items or even your own, some tomatoes or even the sun-dried tomatoes would be great in here to kind of just create a quick, easy lunch or dinner for yourself or your family.
And now for our community shout outs. First, we have Brandy Stone, Director of African American Student Services, and Jose Villar, Manager, College Enrichment and Outreach Programs. And if you're looking for something fun to do over the break, there is an Albuquerque area Holiday Lights Tour public page that you can join that will show you a map of different locations across town that you can go to view different holiday lights. It is socially distance friendly and something fun to keep us busy over the break.
Thanks for joining us. Happy holidays and see you next year. Bye.
Bye.